Let's see how to enter generic sections in CYPE 3D. To do this, we open the bar menu at the top of the interface. Then, we click on Describe and select the bars individually with the left mouse button or use the crossing method. By right-clicking the mouse, we access the Describe window. It can also be accessed when entering a new bar. In the Type of Structural Element section, we define a generic element. Underneath, in Material Selection, we check Generic Section. CYPE 3D's generic sections are used to simulate sections that are not available in the rest of the program's options. They also allow us to define a generic material by entering its properties. In the bottom section, Additional Data, we specify the features of the section. First, we define the geometry of the section envelope by specifying the left width and the right width, as well as the bottom depth and the top depth. These quantities refer to the local coordinate center as shown in the diagram at the bottom. Then, we indicate the mechanical characteristics of the section. In the transverse section, the main axes of inertia are considered to coincide with the local y and z axes. Here, we define the total area of the section, the shear area, and the bending inertia in both directions, as well as the torsional inertia. Finally, we can specify the material data by typing in the modulus of elasticity, Poisson's ratio, coefficient of thermal expansion, and unit weight. When we click Accept, the program applies the defined section to the selected group of bars. After the analysis, the program allows us to obtain the forces and displacements of the bars described with generic sections, but not to carry out resistance checks on them or to design them.